You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, this name from French. This is a French surname, also now popular for being a perfumery company brand name. Let's break it down. The French pronunciation, Fragonard. The D is silent, so fra, go, nar. If you want to learn more luxury brand names from France, stay tuned. In English, you can say it as Fragonard, Fragonard, Fragonard. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.